I'm Winter and I am the driver.
I'm Sweetie and I'm the emotional support person.
That's not good. That's not good. Being instantly sold. Dang, the tornado interrupted us. As soon as I saw the Dominator or the ship deploying, I was like, I looked at Sweet and I was like, bro, me and Sweet really communicated. We're safe. I can't because I drove my. Oh wait, it might be. Hey, watch, get behind, the car. Back this.
Is the car really gonna protect us? Oh my.
That, I just wanted debris almost in the car. Behind the car is the safest place.
I couldn't drop mine. My game tweaked out.
I still have mine in my.
They're still in my hand. My probes are still in my hand, basically. Look at me.
Same. Yo, I can't see them.
I have 5 probes.
Yo, if we will undeploy, I will take a right. It is.
We just like 300 yards.
Yo, I don't think all the systems are working after that.
Oh, I don't think we're deploying.
I think what we gotta do is just like hug the ground and hope.
Guys, we can run to this garage.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, let's just respawn the Tiv in the garage. Okay. We'll come back for you biscuits. I'm surprised it's not close to your garage.
I have no clue where our probes are. They're somewhere over here. I know that, but I don't know how far.
Whenever we get thrown but survive, it like distorts our like sense of direction.
Oh, we're close. We're about to be hugging the wall. Oh no.
Go. Get to the back key. What did you say it was? That's high.